Hello, this is Will from WHMCS. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to download and install the WHMCS software to your cPanel server. First, navigate to the WHMCS.com webpage and click the link to log into our client area. Once logged in, navigate to Services, My Licenses, and note the license key displayed here. We'll need that in a bit. If your license is provided by a reseller, such as your hosting provider, you should contact them directly to obtain your license key and all WHMCS files. The license details page shows your current license information, downloads, the option to buy official add-ons for the software, and the ability to reissue the license to a new location. Next, let's click the Download Now link to download the latest stable version, which we always recommend using. Other versions of the software can be obtained by clicking the Download link on the left-hand sidebar. Now to upload the software to your server. Upload the zip file we just downloaded in your usual way. You may prefer FTP, but since we're using a cPanel server, we'll use the file manager in this example. Locate the zip file we just uploaded, right-click on it, and select to extract the contents where we want WHMCS to be installed. This method is much faster than individually uploading thousands of files via FTP. We then rename the newly extracted configuration.php.new file to configuration.php. Now we install WHMCS. So, visit the installation script in the WHMCS/install directory of your website where we just extracted the zip file. Read through the end user license agreement and accept it to continue. This step checks that your server meets the minimum requirements and that all necessary files and folders are writable. The installation documentation has more details on the permissions you'll need to use. On the next screen, enter the license key you copied earlier. Now we need to create the MySQL database in which all the data will be stored. So in this example, we go back to cPanel and create the database and database user via the MySQL wizard. If you're unsure how to create MySQL databases, please contact your hosting provider or server administrator who will be able to assist. Next, enter the database name and user details we just created into the installation script. The final step of the installation script is to create your administrator account. Click Complete and WHMCS is installed. But before we can get started, there are some important post-installation steps we need to complete. First, we need to delete the /install directory. Second, we create a cron job to run every 5 minutes. This will handle automatic tasks such as generating renewal invoices, sending payment reminders, and suspending delinquent accounts. Usually the cron command can be copied and pasted directly into your control panel. More examples can be found in our online documentation, available in the video description below. And finally, we log into the WHMCS admin area using the admin account we just created. Now we can start configuring the software for use. Join me in the next video where I will introduce you to the admin area and walk you through the Getting Started wizard. Thanks for watching!